OMICRON, actually, University of Cambridge is focusing on developing an terrestrial road inspection scanner. So we mainly focus on the cost of the scanner to bring down the cost. So the main purpose is to develop a democratize the fast and cost-efficient road inspection scanner to bring down the cost in many folds. So we have to to bring down the cost, we have to build all the scanner from the scratch so that we can pick the most important sensors and also bring a balance to the scanner. So with this scanner, we can actually mount and start inspection with one person within 1 minute for the scanning of system. So we have first demonstrated the first functional prototype of the scanner in the final demonstration. The main KPIs we are focusing on to bring down the cost by 50% and also have faster inspection by 30%. One of the demonstration we have done is in Puglia, Florence, and we inspected a service road near Puglia. It was 0.7 kilometers route, and it took almost 1 minute for mounting the scanner and less than 1 minute to survey the whole road. Here you can see the actual data from the scanner itself. It is a laser scan which is recorded with the scanner. So you can also see the zoomed in view of the skin to see the details, how we captured the road. The second demonstration was on A1 Satafandi. We recorded almost 2 kilometers of road on variable speeds. We took almost 1 minute to mount the scanner and also the same less than 1 minute to survey the whole area. So you can see a long scan of the Satafandi A1 bridge and a zoomed in view of the scan. So we also performed the scan in different speeds to see how efficient is our scanner. So we started with 30 kilometer per hour to 80 kilometer per hour. So if you zoom into one of the section in the scan, you can see we have actually picked a small segment which is in red to see how many points we were able to capture in different speeds. And you can see that at a lower speed, we can capture higher points. And as we go to higher speeds, the number of points decreases till we were able to capture and map the road properly. So moving forward, we will be actually, we learned so much from developing PointPix for roads, for inspection of roads. And moving forward, we'll be actually focusing on two forks for road inspection. One is for cheaper road inspection and cross inspections, and one is for affordable final inspection. So for cheaper course inspection, we'll be mainly focusing on camera first approach. So high resolution cameras with mid-range LiDARs, accurate GNS systems. So this will actually give an initial inspection for finding the defects from images. So this will be much cost efficient, but we give an initial status of the road. And affordable final inspection will mainly have multiple LiDARs and also multiple cameras with very accurate GNS. This will actually give finer details of the defects and which may not be evident from images. But as you know that nowadays all the latest cars has multiple cameras and sensors on it. So we may not be need to actually develop a new scanner, but instead use all the data from a normal car which has multiple cameras and sensors in it, and then use that as a base for developing course inspection. For course inspection, you can use the HD cameras already in the car. So already the car has high quality, high build quality for all the sensors and can give a cheap upfront for cost. So finally, we have actually in the current product development phase, or we are with all the things we have learned from Omicron, we will be actually developing forward with the sensor. We'll be planning to actually spread to multiple use cases, mainly for uh, course inspection, image first scanning, and for fine inspection, LiDAR-based scanning. So we have also improved a lot the mapping software we've been used for Omicron. We will be continuing to develop that, and we will be now first aiming to focus on secondary lower roads to scan these scanners. So usually, currently slower roads are not well recorded or inspected. So this kind of cost-efficient scanners will be uh, very efficient in doing this kind of scanning and bring value to the roads and improve maintenance activities. Thank you.